How to fix the DNS server couldn't process the DNS request in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be encountering this error when trying to run network troubleshooter. The error message is the DNS server couldn't process the DNS request. Follow the steps to fix it. First thing you should do is make sure that Ethernet cable is plugged into router securely. If you are using Ethernet to run the network, the router should make a double click sound when you insert the cable. If the error message still appears, then reset the network. Click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, go to the video description. You will find 5 lines of command there. Run the command separately. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Copy the third line of command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the next line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the last line, paste, enter. Once done, close the command prompt and close other tasks if running and restart your computer. Then check the issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.